So probability sampling methods are methods that have randomness introduced in the sampling process. So we have 4 methods that are considered probability sampling. A simple random sampling. How is randomness introduced in a simple random sampling? For example, you have 100 students and you need a sample of 10. If you are using a simple random method, what you do is you assign each student a number 1 to 100. Then you put papers and name them 1 to 100, put it in a hat, and at random pick a number out. So every person in the population has an equal chance of being taken, right? That means everybody has 1/10 chance of being included in that sample. So a simple random sampling, everybody has an equal chance of being taken. Then we have stratified sampling. For a stratified sampling, we use it when there are distinct characteristics within the group that you want to be represented in your sample. So for example, they have different gender, different ages, or different income levels, and you want that to be represented in your sample. What you do is that you subdivide the population based on this group, and from that group you randomly select individuals to include in your sample. That's stratified sampling technique. Then we have the systematic sampling technique. So you want to take 10 people from 100, so you choose at random from the number 1 to 10, and then choose the nth of the number you've taken. So for example, from 1 to 10 you choose the number 10. So what it means is that you take the 10th person, the 20th person, the 30th person. When you assign them 1 to 100, you choose the person that has number 10, number 20, number 30, number 40, number 50. Those are the people you include in your sample. Then we have cluster sampling. Cluster sampling is used where your population is so widely distributed that you can't possibly reach them, and you need sample of 10. In terms of geography, that's where we use clusters. Then you just create a cluster of the population and decide which of the at random which clusters you are going to include in your sample. For example, you want to get the data of a state. Instead of ask all the individuals in the state, so you might probably choose some specific local neighborhoods in the state and create a cluster of neighborhoods. Then at random choose a neighborhood, and you have to interview every individual in that neighborhood to collect your data. The reason why we like to use probability sampling technique is because it reduces bias. It is reproducible. Most likely, if you've done well, you can reproduce it, and you really calculate our margin of errors and our confidence intervals. So next time we'll be looking at the non-probability sampling techniques and their strengths. Cheers.